Hi guys, Andrew here. Today I'm going to show you a makeshift water catcher. Materials I've used, as you can see right back here, are a couple of saplings, the branches and leaves from the saplings, and what we find a lot here in North Carolina is Virginia creeper. It's 5 leaves, not 3. Make sure you remember the 5. Makes some really pretty good cordage. As you can see here, this is some that I had rolled it up I think about 2 weeks ago. Got a pretty good amount of strength there. So what I took to lash the bottom of the saplings together. And for our actual water catcher, I'm going to take the internals of some 550 cord and a plastic leaf bag. It's always good to have a couple of leaf bags in your backpack. There's a lot of different things you can do with them. You can make stuff them leaves, sleep on top of them, makes a nice comfy soft bed, keeps you up off of the cold ground. You can cut a hole in it, use it as a makeshift poncho. If you got 2 or 3 of them, you can cut them open and make a shingle them and make a shelter for yourself. There's all kinds of things you can do with a bag. You should always have at least one. It wouldn't hurt to carry 4 or 5 of them. There's a bunch of different things you can do with them. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to tie the corners of my my bag on here, and we're going to see how many gallons of water it'll hold. Okay. Started by laying this bag out on here. Gonna get it lined up where I want it, and I'm gonna take a rock and put it right in the center of it. Kind of make everything stretch exactly and get the corners even. Just testing here. Make sure I got everything about right. I took a couple little pebbles and tied them up in the corner of my bag so everything stays in there, it doesn't slide out or anything. I'll just kind of find the center there. Okay, got those attached. Rock in there. Grab a couple of jugs of water here. All right, that's 1 gallon. Two gallons. And I got part of a gallon, and about 3/4 of one that I've been drinking out of here. A little stability issue there. Rolling out the back there. So you could come along got stability issues like that. Go all the way around the end of it, support it. You're gonna learn lessons like that. So put something like that out, and you know, just wait for it to rain. That's about 3.5 gallons it held there before it started going over the back. That's a good bit of water. I mean, that's good. I mean, if you can drink a gallon of water a day, I try to. I don't always get through it. I would imagine in a survival situation, you need to drink, obviously you need to drink as much as you can. I'm not an expert on this, but I know that when you drink water, it flushes out those vitamin C's, D's, the good stuff that keeps you going, that keeps you from getting sick. So I would think that you probably want to find a nice balance there of drinking enough water to stay hydrated but not flushing your system out. So there's an idea. If you guys got a better one, throw me a comment, support my page, help me get on the line. Thanks guys. Bye.